we're gonna create hiccup medicine to cure hiccups. Now, we're gonna use apple cider, lemonade, milk, and calcium orange juice. Hi, would you like to be our special guest? Enjoy! Sorry for that brief interruption. Now, we're gonna mix these factors together to create the joy of hiccup medicine curing
milk
with apple juice
and orange juice.
Man. Now in this one, I will put some lemonade
And the bunny one.
and milk
And lemonade.
and orange juice. And bam, there we go. Hiccups are now cured. Oh. Excuse me, pregnant ma'am. I see you have the hiccups. Would you like some hiccup medicine that I invented?
Sure. Sure.
It's gone. It cured you. It really worked. Oh my god, my waterproof. Oh no! What would I ever do? Baby! Oh, how precious is she? It's a Charlie Brown comic book pillow.
Excuse me, pregnant man.
Yes, I'm a pregnant man!
Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like some hiccup medicine that I invented?
Sure, will it cure my hiccups?
Yes, it would, especially for a pregnant ma'am. I said ma'am.